Hello everyone, good morning, how are you? Okay, good. So raise your voice, don't be silent. It's not a library, right? Right, let us see, let's introduce myself. Myself Amanadimani, faculty for aptitude, pure maths and reasoning. Okay, so it comes under general mental ability for groups and CSAT part of civil services. Okay, and I have more than a decade of experience in teaching for various competitive examinations across the country. The toughest called CAT to the easiest called VRO, VRA. Okay, this is my profile. Hope it's enough for you, right? Let's start the topic. Today's topic is number series. Yeah, remember what we have to discuss is we have to discuss two topics: quantitative aptitude and reasoning. Okay, these are the two areas that we have to cover. Okay, right. In this one, for your prelims point of view, remember reasoning is more important, and in entire quantitative aptitude, one small topic is there: data interpretation. These two are there in your syllabus. In the syllabus, what he specified is analytical reasoning and data interpretation. This is what he specified in your examination. In analytical reasoning, the reasoning also not the entire part. Few portions like blood relations, directions, clocks, calendars, and seating arrangement, puzzles, and those parts will come under reasoning because he specified analytical reasoning. And coming to data interpretation, DI, that is, it's a part of quantitative aptitude. These two parts he specified. But coming to mains examination point of view, he has specified that all the topics almost. Okay, and the most dangerous word that he used is problem solving ability. Problem solving ability. Okay, so problem solving ability, what it means is, if you take any realistic problems in the real life also, okay, so we should have the ability of solving them, right? In that perspective, what he will say is problem solving ability is there in your mains examination. This word makes us to give a question from any topic like time and work, time and distance, percentages, profit and loss, number system, LCM, HCF, ratios, ages, partnership, simple interest, compound interest, data interpretation, permutations, combinations, probability, any topic he can give. Okay, so that is the dangerous word he already used in your mains examination. And if you observe the previous papers, that is almost in 2016 or 17, some examination was conducted, right? Group 1 mains. Okay, in that examination also, all the topics he covered, at that situation, he missed one beautiful word called probability. Okay, and you got a question from probability. It's a 10 marks question. Okay, so luckily they have given, since that word is not used in the examination. Okay, so since this question was given, 10 marks was awarded to each and every student. Okay, that is the add score it was given. And remember, at that case, what happened? That means how the paper will be served. I'm giving you an example. Suppose assume the people will feel that Amarnath is a best in the market. If we give him the setting the paper work, it will be confidential. Then what they will do is they will give us to me. That means like me, one faculty, they will give the paper, setting the paper. So once he set the paper, that will be proofread by him and by his assistants and all by so many times. After the paper will be ready. This paper will be subjected to a panel of members, okay, high profiles, including MLAs, MLCs, and educationalists. So once it was given to them, okay, so since MLAs and MLCs, they are unable to go through it, right? So even educationalists also, suppose if I have given a question from time and work, or if I have given a question from seating arrangement, not even a physics faculty of IIT is able to deal it, right? That's why they will just look into it, or sometimes they won't even look into it, and that paper will be given to you. That means to you means the examiners, students. Okay, once the examination was conducted, there the problem with the probability was started. Okay, suppose I am the one who set the paper, then they will ask me to give me an explanation. Okay, in that bloody explanation, what the thing happened earlier is, since I used, that means the paper setter used probability question. Okay, so what's the funniest thing they asked is, do you know what is meant by a probability? Hope in your academics you might have learned it, right? Probability means favorable chances means total number of chances, right? Okay, suppose if I want to ask, a coin is tossed to once, what is the probability of getting a head? Then we can say, if I toss a coin, I'll get two outcomes, either head or tail. So two chances, so total chances is completed. Coming to favorable chance, either head or tail. Your favorable is head only, right? 1. So 1/2. This is the answer. Superb. So if it is a question that was asked in the examination, find a coin was tossed once, find the probability of getting head. Okay, I use the word find the probability of getting head. So there the problem arises. Probability is a word that I use now. That's why the problem arises. What I can ask the question is, a coin was tossed once. Find the number of ways of getting a head out of the total cases. The same question or different question? Same question. But I have not used the word probability. It's not a crime. Hope you understand. Because he will use the word problem solving ability. Okay? Do you understand how dangerous this statement is? Problem solving ability. Okay. So already this was given in your examination. That's why we should learn it. Okay. Next point. So earlier this paper is 100 marks. Aptitude, reasoning and English together 100 marks. Now they have restricted our paper, that is aptitude, reasoning together is only 50 marks. And now nobody knows that he will give 2 marks questions, 5 marks questions or 4 marks questions. Nobody knows it. Okay. That's why we should be prepared for all. We should be prepared for all. Means what we have to observe is, suppose if he has given a question for 2 marks, we should be ready to give the answer for 2 marks. It's a descriptive one means is, okay. In the descriptive, see, in objective and descriptive how it will be is, suppose if I have given an objective type of question, observe, if I give a question like this doesn't have options, right? Then you can, this question might be given in, what do we say, descriptive paper. So if you observe some questions, I'll give with options, okay. Mostly after the basics, I'll give all the questions with options. Why? Because we should be prepared for both. So suppose this is a question. This is an object oriented question, okay. That is prelims oriented this question is, since the options are available. If these options were not available, okay, then this will become mains question, okay. Then what happens? This question he might give you for 2 marks, 5 marks, 10 marks. So you should be prepared for all the things. Suppose the logic I will give you here, right? Suppose if you observe this question, this is a number series question, right? Okay. What the numbers had he gave? 1 means 1 square, 4 means 2 square, 9 means 3 square, 16 means 4 square, 25 means 5 square, 36 means 6 square, 7 square and 8 square. This is what the logic that we have to learn. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What the next number? 9 square, 10 square. What's the value of 9 square? 81. 10 square is 100. So what's the option? 811100. C is the answer. If it is objective, khatam ho gaya. If it is descriptive, what you have to do is, see, you should write this one, okay. If it is a 2 marks question, you should write a statement that in every number, he is giving 2 consecutive numbers squares, starting with 1 and that ends with 8 square, right? So, and if you observe one more point, I might give a question like this, 1 square, 2 square, next number 2 square, 3 square. This is one way of asking. 3 square, 4 square. What is the difference between these two? Here, the second one of the first one will be the first one of the second one. Here it is not, right? So that's why a new pair will come. That statement you have to write and give me the answer directly. That is enough. If it is a question for 2 marks. Suppose if it is a question for either 5 marks or 10 marks, then what you have to do? So you should take 1, 4. So 1, 4 means actually the intention is it is 1 square and it is 2 square. You have to write each and every number. Automatically you have to increase the number of steps, right? Yes. Okay. And 9, 1, 6. Okay. So 9 means 3 square. 16 means 4 square. Each and everything you have to write and you have to give the answer. Hope you understand. So that means the soul is same. Okay. But the cover letter changes a lot. With the objective question 1 mark and descriptive paper of 2 marks, 5 marks, 10 marks. Okay. So remember one thing, in reasoning in general 2 marks questions will be given. That means earlier what they did is, that means the 2016 or whatever the paper. Okay, what the point that they did is, so in quantitative aptitude they will give 2 questions, that is question 1, okay, 1 question will be there, or this is also question 1 only, okay, but it's an option choice. Each and every question has a choice earlier, okay. So another question will be given, any question is 10 marks. That means in aptitude, they give a question from time and work or time and distance or number system. The question's marks is how much? 10 marks in general. But coming to reasoning, what they will do is, see, they will give one series, 5 series questions they will give 10 marks. That means 1 question he will write. Okay, sub question A, sub question B, sub question D and E. 5 questions he will give 10 marks. That means each question carries 2 marks. Each question carries 2 marks means just the logic you have to write, that's it. समझ गया? Okay, right now also, in general, all the reasoning questions will be 2 marks in mains. 2 marks in mains means, suppose if he has given a blood relation question, what do you have to do? So in blood relations, what we will do is we will draw a diagram. Okay, that means I am here, suppose my father's, okay, mothers, wives, okay, that means my mothers, okay, brothers, something if you give, then you have to draw a diagram, right? So after drawing the diagram, he will ask how this person is related to that person, etc., etc. We will give the question. If he give a 2 marks question, this diagram you have to draw there, and finally you have to write that. So his father's wife means mothers, okay, brother means uncle. So that is the answer. That means 2 marks is sufficient. Am I right or wrong? That means if it is a 2 marks question, that is almost equivalent to our subject. That means objective. But in arithmetic, cinema completely changes. What happens is there will be beautiful shortcuts, beautiful analysis points that we can do in arithmetic. That points might not be clear to the paper valuation person. Then what happens is there will be a clumsy. That's why we have to go in the conventional manner. We have to go in the conventional manner. That means, suppose if you observe in simple interest, PTR by 100 is there. Am I right? Simple interest is equals to PTR by 100. See, if you observe, if you are going for object-oriented questions, PTR by 100 is ridiculous. Not at all useful for you. Okay. So it is very lengthy procedure to calculate the most beautiful questions of simple interest. But coming to exam point of view, we should use it because the examiner, the valuation person, okay, the valuator might not know about it. Hope you understand. Okay, na? Kabatti man ikkada gurtupetukovalsina point enti ante in what do we say, arithmetic, there will be drastic change. In reasoning, very less change for prelims and mains perspective. Okay. So in our topics, we will, that means in our classes, we will complete each and every topic. Okay. So I'll try to cover each and every model in less span. Okay. So all of you try to understand and ask me whenever you have a doubt. In mains perspective, whenever a question was given, I'll try to give you each and every step how we will write. Remember, keep one thing in your brain, that principles of valuation that should be kept in your brain. Hope you might know that, principles of valuation. Am I right? Okay. So which step we should write? If that step is there, how many marks will be allocated? That is important. So if it is a 2 marks question, okay, whatever the data that he has given, no need to write it. If it is either a 5 marks or 10 marks question, whatever is the data that he has given also we should write. That means, so we should write a statement that given, okay, principle. So if you want to use a word, okay, that is P next time onwards, you should write principal P is equals to 5,000. Okay. Given rate of interest R is equal to so and so on, all we have to write. And these will also have a mark and formula also has a mark. Okay. If it is a 2 marks question, what happens? Given data doesn't give much impact, but formula is mandatory. But habituate of writing the given data. Okay. Formula is mandatory. After that, substitute all the values. If it is a 2 marks one, don't go with the solution. That means complete solving of the question not required. Okay, just answer is required. Remember one thing, that if your answer is there without writing anything, at least 30% of the marks will be allocated for that. 30% of the marks. Okay. So that's why if the calculation part is missing, if it is a 2 marks question, 100% 2 marks will be given for you. If it is a 5 marks question, even the rough calculation is not mentioned in your paper, he will deduct some marks, 1 or 2 marks. Okay. Keep that point in your brain. Okay, anyhow, I think I have given an idea regarding how the paper valuation will be happened and what we have to learn. Okay, so today I am going to start. I don't want to start directly with arithmetic because arithmetic means there might be some non-math students. Okay, so they might feel that, oh my God. So first day I don't want to scare you. I am going with a simple topic called number series. Okay. Right, the number series by myself, Amarna Dimani. Okay, let's start the topic. Okay, see, for the basics also, for this topic, I am giving you the slides only. Okay, first we have to know what is meant by a series. Okay, so if you want to go with a series, 1, 2, 3, 4, he has given, what is the next one he is asking? Series means it has a bunch of numbers or a bunch of alphabets, anything that is known as series. Even if you observe the batteries we can connect in series. Yes, the resistors we can connect in series. That means just a bunch arranged in a row. Okay, I am arranging them in a row. That's why this is number series. Okay, these are all the numbers. If it is letters, we will say that this is letter series. Okay, good. What we have to do is we have to analyze it. We have to analyze it. Whatever is the pattern that you find, that should be applied and you should get the next one. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the next one? 5. What's the reason behind it? Yeah, my dear online students, also please give the answers, okay, in the comment section, okay. Yeah, you also try to give the answers, okay. So theory subject, and it has complete different phenomena. That is, if you respond, you will get it, else you won't. Okay, right. If you give the answer, I'll definitely ask the question that why, because this is reasoning. I'll ask the reason. Okay, so why? 1. So here to here it is +1, increased by 1. Here to here it is increased by 1. Here to here also it is increased by 1. So here to here also it will be increased by 1. So answer is 5. This is one logic. The other way of giving the same answer for this is, so these are consecutive natural numbers. Am I right or wrong? Don't say even natural numbers. Consecutive natural numbers, because sometimes I might give alternate series. Okay, alternate natural numbers. That's why we should keep in our brain that consecutive natural numbers. Okay, consecutive natural numbers. Okay, right. Next one. Yeah, what is the answer for this question? Okay. Yes, what's the answer? 6. Logic is?
2 plus.
Yes. So +2, +2, +2, +2. Okay. So up to the questions where there is no option, we should understand that that is concept building questions. After building the concept, I'll give the options. Okay, once the options were given, so I'll explain you if it was a descriptive paper, what we have to do. Okay, good. So yeah, if you want, you can write the examples directly. Okay, maintain the running notes. Okay, so 6, or else we can say that these are consecutive even numbers. Consecutive even numbers. Okay, let's go to the next question. Yeah, what's the answer for this one? 7. What's the logic behind it? Good. Consecutive odd numbers, or else the same logic, that is +2. Here to here it is +2. 1 to 3 +2, 3 to 5 +2, 5 also +2. So 7 should also be +2. Yes, it is matching. Or else we can say that this is consecutive odd one. Good. Consecutive. Don't write odd. Consecutive odd numbers. Okay. Right. Good. Let's go to the next question. Yeah. What is the answer for this? 1, 4, 9, blank 25. 16. Logic. Consecutive, the squares of the consecutive natural numbers. Okay. So we can write 1 means 1 square, 4 means 2 square, 9 means 3 square, 25 means 5 square. So in between one number is missing, that is known as 4. So 4 square is the answer. Okay, good. Right. So from this we can conclude one thing, that we should be perfect in the squares from 1 to 32. Okay. 1 to 32, try to be perfect. Okay. Yeah, let's go to the next one. Yeah, I hope everybody is perfect in the tables from 1 to 20. Yes. 1 to 20. Okay. So I'm expecting that at least by the next session you will be perfect. Okay. Right. My dear online students, also tables and squares and cubes from 1 to 15. These 3 try to be perfect. Okay. If you are perfect in these 3 areas, then it will be helpful in number series as well as aptitude. In aptitude, it is very much important. Okay, good. Let's see the next one. So this is 1 cube. This is 3 cube. 27 means 3 cube. 125 means 5 cube. So 7 cube is 343. 1, 3, 5, 7. Odd or odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers. Okay. So cubes of consecutive odds. Consecutive odds cube. Okay. So yeah, next one is 9 cube. What's the value of 9 cube? In the examination, do you know? If you don't know that, what will you do? 9 cube means 9 into 9 into 9. Okay. 9 nines are 81 into 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72. Time will be wasted a lot, right? So 729 is the answer. Okay, see, if you start learning the squares, cubes, etc., you should interrelate them. Okay, if you can interrelate, then you can enjoy the beauty in the numbers. That means, suppose if you see 729, just know you got that where it is 9 cube. Am I right? The other place where we will get is 27 square. So 27 square. The other place where we will get it is 3 power 6. Okay, 3 places. If you can interrelate it, then the problems will become very much easy and very much beautiful for you. Okay, good. So say the next beautiful question. Yeah, what's the answer for this? Not 512. Good. Yeah, what's the answer? Prime numbers, we should learn from 1 to 100. Okay, don't worry, after solving this question I'll write the 1 to 100 primes here. Okay, so 2 means 4 means 2 square, 9 means 3 square, 25 means 5 square, 49 means 7 square. Why you are saying 9 square is by seeing these numbers you are feeling it is odd numbers. But is 2 an odd number? No. So 2, 3, 5, 7 all are prime numbers. That means here the logic is prime number square. Am I right? Consecutive primes square. Yeah, 121 is the right answer. Good. So answer will be after 7 the next prime number is 11. So 11 square. 11 square means 121. Okay. Good. Now I'm writing 1 to 100 prime numbers on the board. Okay, everybody. If you know it, tell me, else copy it. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 30, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Count them. How many are there? 15. 3 numbers. Okay. 15 are 1 to 50. We have 15 now prime numbers. Okay. 50 to 100 I am writing. 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Count them. How many are there? 10. So 15 and 10. Total 25 prime numbers are there from 1 to 100. You should memorize it. Yeah, my dear online students, good. 53 is a prime number. Perfect. So the next beautiful question. Yeah, good. What's the answer for it? See, so far I have given the questions how he can ask number 1. Number 2, just to give the concept of series. Now, some logics I have to develop. Okay, I am giving some questions for you. Look at this question and give me the answer. 0, 6, 24, 60 and what's the next number? Come on online, try to give the answers. Good, now I'll give the answer, don't worry. So 0 means 1 cube minus 1. 6 means 2 cube minus 2. 2 cube is 8, minus 2 is 6. 24 is 3 cube minus 3. 3 cube is 27, minus 3. 60 is 4 cube minus 4. 4 cube is 64, minus 4 is 60. So the answer will be 5 cube minus 5. 5 cube is how much? 125 minus 5. 125 minus 5 is 120. That is the right answer. Yeah, good Kapil. You have given the right answer. 120 is the right answer. Okay. So you might feel that it's a little difficult one, right? To get the idea. Don't worry, after 10-15 minutes, you will feel that this is the easiest way. Okay, easiest question. Let's see the next question. Try to answer. 2, 12, 36, 80. 2, 12, 36, 80. Right, look at the board. So 2 means 1 cube plus 1 square because 1 cube is 1. 1 square is also 1, right? Okay, next one. Yeah, 150 is the right answer. Good Kapil. Okay, right, next one. 12 means it is 2 cube plus 2 square. Verify 2 cube is how much? 8. 2 square is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 36 means 3 cube plus 3 square. 3 cube is 27 plus 3 square is 9. So 27 plus 9 is 36. Okay. Next, 80 means it is 4 cube plus 4 square. Verify 4 cube is 64. 4 square is 16. It is equals to 80. So then what will be the answer? 5 cube plus 5 square. Okay, 5 cube plus 5 square. Okay, 5 cube is 125 plus 5 square is 25. If you add it, you will get how much? 150. Okay, that is the answer. Okay. The previous question you might feel that, oh my god, it's difficult. This question you feel that it is impossible, right? So don't worry, after some time you feel that it is easy one only. Okay. So the next one. Yeah, what's the answer for it? 0, 4, 18, 48 and this is not 150, this is 100. That is 100. Try it. What's the answer? Try it, whether you get it or not, that is secondary. Keep on trying, keep on struggling. Right, look at the board. 0 means actually it is 1 cube minus 1 square. Okay, 1 cube is 1, 1 square is also 1. Difference is 0. 4 means 2 cube minus 2 square. 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4. Difference is 4. 18 means 3 cube minus 3 square. 3 cube is 27, minus 3 square is 9. 27 minus 9 is 18. So 48 means it is 4 cube minus 4 square. Okay, 4 cube is how much? 64 minus 4 square is 16. So difference, right? 14 minus 6 is 8. 5 minus 1 is 4, 48. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one I have to say that it is 5 cube minus 5 square. So 5 cube is 125 minus 5 square is 25. If I subtract, I'll get 100. Yes, it is matching. Then the answer will be 6 cube minus 6 square. Yes, Kapil. Okay, 6 cube minus 6 square. 6 cube is 216 minus 6 square is 36. If I subtract 0, 8 and 1. So answer is how much? 180 is the answer. Okay. If you observe the last two questions, you may try this one, right? Such logic you can verify. Completed? Right. So the next beautiful one. Yeah, what he has given? 5, 39, 7, 68, 9 blank. Good. Look at the board. Suppose if I ask the next one, I think you can give the answer very easily. How much? 11. So matlab is, so 5, 7, 9, 11. So plus 2 series, right? Yes, absolutely correct. But these numbers you are unable to digest, right? Don't worry. So it is 5. It is 6 square plus 6 by 2. Am I right? 36 plus 3, 39. 5, 6. Next one is 7. Next one is 8 square plus 8 by 2. Verify. 8 square 64. 8 by 2 is 4. So 64 plus 4 is 68. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next what I have to write? 10 square plus 10 by 2. 10 square 100. 10 by 2 is 5. 100 plus 5 is 105. So that is the answer. Okay. Here was the answer. 2, 6, 12, 20. What's the next? It's very easy. What's the answer? Rethink. It will change. Whatever you want to do is correct, but what the answer that you gave is wrong. Good, Kapil. Come on, fast. Good. Bushra Taha. Come on, remaining also. 30 is the right answer. Okay, what's the logic? 2 and 6, 4 is added. Am I right? 6 and 12, how much is added? 6. 12 and 20, how much is added? 8. So 4, 6, 8. How much is the next number we have to add? 10. So 20 plus 10 is how much? 30. Okay, everybody tell me, is this the logic that you tried? Online also. Is this the logic or not? Any other? Yes? Yes? Yeah, tell me. Good, it has multiple logics actually. Okay, what we can say is, this is 1 square plus 1. Am I right? This is 2 square plus 2. Am I right? 4 plus 2 is 6. This is 3 square plus 3. 9 plus 3. Okay, and the next one is 4 square plus 4. Am I right? So the next one will be 5 square plus 5. 5 square is 25. Plus 5 is 30. Okay. The other way is, can I say this is 2 square minus 2? 2 square is 4 minus 2. Okay. Can I say 3 square minus 3? 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 square minus 4. Okay, 4 square is, yeah, good Praneeth. Good Supriya. Yeah, square plus number. Good Taha. Okay, good. So this is, can I say 5 square minus 5? 25 minus 5. Can I say this is 6 square minus 6? So 36 minus 6 is 30. Okay. The other way of doing it is 2 means 1 into 2. Am I right? 2 consecutive numbers product. 6 means 2 into 3, 2 consecutive numbers product. 12 means 3 into 4, 2 consecutive numbers product. 20 means 4 into 5, 2 consecutive numbers product. So the next 2 we have to take. Okay. 2, 2, 3, 3. Whatever that we are leaving, with that we are starting the next one, right? So I have to start with 5. 5 into 6. 5, 6 are how much? 30. In all these ways, we will get the answer as 30 only. How many logics we discussed so far? 4 logics we have discussed. Okay. Good. Right, shall we go to the next question? Have you copied all the logics? Let's the next beautiful question. Yeah, what's the answer for it? 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 blank. It's very important. Anybody? Online and offline. 20? Right answer. Why? Good. He's adding these 2 numbers and he is giving the next number. Right? Fibonacci. Okay. 2 plus 3. 5. 3 plus 5. 8. 5 plus 8. 13. So 13 plus 8 is equal to how much? 21 is the answer. Okay. Can I go to the next question? What's the answer for it? It's also important. Little. Good Tilak. Good Sandeep. Yeah, try it. Yes, what's the answer? Larger number, right? You have to do it. Do it. Good, right answer. See, if you observe, if you multiply these 2, you will get it. Am I right? In the previous one, it is additive Fibonacci. This is multiplicative Fibonacci. If you multiply these 2, 2 into 2, you will get 4. 2 into 4, you will get 8. And good. Okay, 4 into 8, you will get 32. 8 into 32, you will get answer as 256. Okay. Good. Can I go to the next question? Yeah, well, you are multiplying 8 into 32. Some points you should keep in your brain so that the problems will become very easy for you. This is what the multiplication you have to write. You did 8 2s and 8 3s. Am I right? Am I right? Why don't you feel that 32 is 16 into 2? That too, if I multiply here 8 2s is 16, this is equal to 256. Can I feel like this? Am I right? Okay, the other way is 32, can I imagine it in my mind that 30 plus 2? 8 into 30 is 240. 8 into 2 is 16. 240 plus 16, 256. Am I right? If you do any of these, no need of paper and pen. By seeing, we can give the answer. Okay. Initially, you might feel that, sir, if I do in the conventional manner, time will be saved. But if you practice without having paper and pen, you can do wonders. Okay. Right, habituate this. So, the next beautiful question. Yeah. I think same question, right? Okay, leave it. Let's go to the next question. Yeah. So far we have discussed about the basics. Now we are going to the problems. Okay. Before we enter into the problems, I want to give you how the problems I did. Okay. What made me to do the problems in the easiest manner, I'll discuss with you. Okay. Good. Yeah, good. This slide I'll use it completely. Right, observe, my dear boys and girls, number series is very, very, very important. Undoubtedly, in prelims, you can expect 1 question or 2 questions definitely in your exam. In mains also, you can expect minimum 2 questions. Okay. That's why weightage is high. Okay, what you have to do is, the standard logics we have to discuss. Those standard logics are n, n square, n cube, n square plus n, n square minus n cube plus n cube minus n. Okay, n cube plus n square, n cube minus n square, and n square plus n by 2 and n square minus n by 2. These are the standard logics in general. Apart from these 2, okay, prime numbers, Fibonacci, etc. These are the standard logics in general. So, you have to prepare a table for it with at least 10 to 12 values you have to prepare. For how many values you have to prepare it? For 12 values, okay? Okay. For 12 values, we have to prepare it, okay? If you take the 12 values, randomly I am taking. Yeah, give me one even number. I am taking 6, suppose, okay? 6. So, 6 square, 36, I will write. 6 cube, 216. 6 square plus 6, that is equal to 42. 6 square minus 6, that is equal to 30. 6 cube plus 6, and it 222. 6 cube minus 6, 210. 6 cube plus 6 square, 252. 6 cube minus 6 square, that is equal to 180. 6 square, 36, plus 6 by 2, 3, 39. So 6 square 36 minus 3, 33. I have prepared like this. Give me one odd number. 3. Okay. 3 square 9. 3 cube is 27. 3 square plus 3, 12. 3 square minus 3, 6. 3 cube plus 3, 30. 3 cube minus 3, 24. 3 cube plus 3 square, 36. 3 cube minus 3 square, 18. So these two no need to write, because if you write 3 by 2 you will get decimals. Okay, those two we can leave for odd numbers. Only for even numbers we'll write. Like this, if you write for 12 numbers, I don't say that by heart it. I'll say that glance it. Okay, for a week daily 2-3 times glance it. Okay, that means, sir, 30. Okay, I'm getting 30 at 3 cube plus 3. Okay, so I'm getting 36 at 3 cube plus 3 square. Okay, I'm getting 27 at 3 cube. Okay, just glance it. Don't by heart it. If you glance it for a week, then what happens is you will get some grip on the numbers. Once if you get some grip on the numbers, I'll write some numbers on the board. Okay, these are magical numbers in in number series topic. Okay, those magical numbers are 36. In general, if you see this, what you will memorize? 6 square. If you practice it, you will get the idea that this is 3 cube plus 3 square. Am I right? By seeing 100, what's the thought that you will get? 10 square. The other thought you will get is 5 cube minus 5 square. Okay. If you take the number 150, what's the thought that you will get? 15 into 10. Apart from this, nothing will come into your brain, right? But if you practice it, you will get 5 cube plus 5 square. And the next one is 12 square plus 12 by 2. 12 square is 144. 12 by 2 is 6. So it is 150. Okay, next one. Suppose if I have gone with a number called 30, in general you will get 3 into 10 in your brain, right? So now you will get an idea that 3 cube plus 3. Okay, and the next idea is 5 into 6, 2 consecutive numbers product it is. Okay, and the next number you will get is 5 square plus 5. And the other logic you will get is 6 square minus 6 by seeing the number 30. By seeing the number 60, earlier you won't get anything. Now you will get some ideas in your brain. Those are 60 means 4 cube minus 4, and the other one is 8 square minus 8 by 2. Am I right or wrong? Whatever I'm writing. Are you cross checking? Good. So 68 if you take, it is equals to 4 cube plus 4 and 8 square plus 8 by 2. Okay. Next one. So by seeing these numbers, you will get the idea that 120 means you will get at 5 cube minus 5, and you will get the other idea that it is 5 factorial. Okay. By seeing 130, you will get the idea that this is 5 cube plus 5. Okay, even though it has only one importance, but still it is important. That's why I have written here. Okay, 130. And the next one you have to get the idea is 130, 60, 68. Okay, good. Now I am writing some numbers which are very much beautiful. 4 means 2 square is the idea that you will get, right? Now you will get the idea that it is 2 cube minus 2 square. 2 cube minus 2 square. Okay. By seeing the number 12, you will get the idea that 2 cube plus 2 square as well as 3 square plus 3. Am I right? By seeing the number 6, you will get the idea that this is 2 cube minus, apart from 12, for this we have another one called 3 into 4, 2 consecutive numbers product also there. Okay. 6 means 2 cube minus 2, that is equals to 3 square minus 3, that is equals to 2 square plus 2, that is equals to 2 into 3, 2 consecutive numbers product. Am I right? Okay. And 0 and 2 also we should memorize. 0 means it is 1 cube minus 1 square, 1 cube minus 1, 1 square minus 1. Okay. Similarly, if you take the number 2, 1 cube plus 1 square, 1 cube plus 1, that is equal to 1 square plus 1. Okay. These are the magical numbers that are there in your number series topic. Okay. Now what I will do is copy all these numbers. I'll go back to each and every question. Okay. So especially at 3 questions or 4 questions, you might feel that, oh my God, this is impossible for us to get the thought, right? So after memorizing these numbers, we'll go there again. We will check whether we can do it or not. Okay. Good. Try to memorize them. Okay. Just copying is not sufficient, try to memorize. My dear online students, are you copying? Are you getting my points? Respond fast. Have you copied them? Yes, 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 good. Right, let's start the, let's revisit the problems where you felt little difficult. From this question onwards, you felt little difficult, right? Okay, shall we check what are the magical numbers that are available? 60, 6, 0. These three I have explained, right? 60 I have given two logics. 4 cube minus 4. The other one is rare one, that is 8 square minus 8 by 2. So, is it matching any number square minus that number by 2? No. That's why this one I am ruling out. Then 4 cube. So, I will verify this is 3 cube minus 3 or not. So, already I know that this is 2 cube minus 2 and this is 1 cube minus 1. So, the answer is very simple for me, right? 5 cube minus 5. Am I right? So, when you do this problem, you might feel that, oh my god, this is a difficult one. But once if you've gone through the magical numbers or standard numbers, this is easy for you. Let's see the next one. You feel that this is very impossible for you, right? So, now see, 36 is a magical number, 12 is a magical number, 2 is a magical number. 36 means I have given two logics, 6 square and 3 cube plus 3 square, right? So, no other is a perfect square, that means 6 square is a ruled out one. Okay. Now, it is a something cube plus something, right? Something square, the same number square. I'll verify 3 before that and less number, right? That's why I'll verify with 2. 2 cube plus 2 square, am I right? 2 cube is 8 plus 2 square is 4. Yes, it is matching. Already the problem is over, right? Okay. So, this will become very difficult or very easy? Very easy. Okay. This is not impossible event. Okay. Suppose if you see this question also, okay, 0 is a magical number, 4 is a magical number, right? 100 is also a magical number. 100 means I have given two examples, two logics. 10 square is one logic. No other is a square. That's why I will rule it out. So, next one is 5 cube minus 5 square. Directly I got gunshot logic for it, right? So, n cube minus n square. So, this is a very easy one. Okay, like this, the problems will become easier if you memorize those numbers, okay? Right. Since if I take any new slide, what the problem is, I'm getting the different colored ones, right? That's why I'm erasing and I'm writing here itself, okay? So, for the number series, we will get 4-step procedure. In general, number series means everybody will say that I'll explain some logics. In the examination, he can give any logic. Even if I give you 100 questions, the examiner might give one or one logic. Am I right? That's why that is not possible for us to say that this is a confined topic. It's an ocean. Okay. So, what I will do is, to identify them, I'll give 4-step procedure. Number 1, whenever you find a number series question, first one, verify any standard or general logic is there. General logic. General logic means just now I said that squares, n square, n cube. Okay, table we have written now, that one, and I have given a table now. Table plus primes plus n square plus or minus k, n cube plus or minus k. Okay, why those are is, suppose I might have given a logic like this, 24, 35, oh no, let's go little beautiful logic, 26, and the next one is 63, and the next one is 124, and what's the next one? Literally you will cry for it. Okay, but you should keep a eye view that, so 26, 63, 24, these all are close to perfect cubes. This is 3 cube minus 1, this is 4 cube minus 1, 5 cube minus 1, so answer will be 6 cube minus 1, 215 is the answer. That's why squares and cubes, some constant added or subtracted should also be kept in your brain. Okay, you should be in a state to identify any nearby number of a square or cube was given, you should identify that. Okay, good. So, standard or general logic is there or not, we have to verify. This is our first step. Okay, of course, in this one also I forgot to explain earlier. 39, 68. 69 is 8 square plus 8 by 2, right? And 4 cube plus 4. Already matched here, right? Okay, good. So, chhod do. So, let's go for the questions. Okay, if it is not there, 2 and 3 we have to verify simultaneously. Any multiplication or division is there, or any addition or subtraction, this we will call in general as differences. Okay. So, what we have to do is, by seeing the numbers, we should come into an idea that those are very close to each other means that is addition or subtraction based logic. Increasing means addition, decreasing means subtraction. If the distance between them is very large, we will say that that is multiplication or division based logic. Am I right? Suppose if I have given a logic number like this, 5, 11, 23, next one is 47, next one is 95, next one is 191. What's the next one? Observe a point. What's the first number? 5. What's the last number he gave? 191. Are they closer or very far away? That means this might be a multiplication based series. Okay. So we will go with the core logic. Don't go with the smallest numbers. In general, go with the large number which you can handle. See, if I said largest number, that you might not be able to handle it, right or wrong? Go with the number which you can handle. See, suppose if I say all these numbers, I can handle this one, right, easily. Okay, 23, 47. How many times it is? Into 2 nearly. Okay, into 2. If it is into 2, what the thought that might come into your brain is, everything might be into 2. Or else, if it is into 2, this might be into 1, this might be into 3, this might be into 4. Say yes or no? That should also come into your brain. Okay, I am verifying this one, 11, 23, into 2 nearly. I am not writing the exact logic, right? Into 2 only. Okay, this we will call it as core logic, into 2 again. Okay, 47 and 95 means nearly into 2, right? 95, 191, nearly into 2, right? Now go with the carries. Okay, whatever I have written so far is standard logic or what do we say, core logic. Now I am going with the carries. 5 into 2 is how much? 10. How much is there? 11. So into 2 plus 1. That one is the carry, right? So 11 into 2 is how much? 22 plus 1. So now I got the logic. Into 2 plus 1 is the logic, right? Okay. So 23 into 2, 46 plus 1, 47. 47 into 2, 40, 94 plus 1, 95. 95 into 2, 190 plus 1, 191. So next one is also be into 2 plus 1. 191 2s are 382. Plus 1 is 383. Hope you understand how I derived the logic. Now tell me, is this a logic that I have explained you? No. This is a logic through these steps you can induce, you can derive, right or wrong? So what I am doing here is, I am not giving the logics for you, because if I give 100 logics, 101 might be there. And in the examination also you are unable to verify, Amarnath sir has given 100 logics, first logic failed, second logic failed, you are unable to verify, right or wrong? So you should have an algorithm that you can create your own logics. Okay, this is the algorithm. Okay. In general, 90 to 95% of the questions can be solved by using these 3 steps, but one more step is required. What it is strange logics. When will we go for it? I'll explain you later. Strange logics after some time. I'll explain some important points regarding addition and subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay. See, if the numbers are close, I have already given an example with differences, right? I think you already answered that question. Yes, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, plus 10. The numbers are close to each other. That's why you are happily gone with the differences, right? That means addition, subtraction based. Okay. Now I am giving an example. Try to understand. 101 and 165, and the next one is something 201. And what's the next number? Suppose. What you will observe is 1 and 201. The numbers are very close or very far. We will think of multiplication. If you think of multiplication, that is ridiculous. Why? Because observe a point. 1 and 101 means nearly 100 times or 101 times. Am I right? So this is not even 2 times. 162 is a 320. That much is not there. Okay. This is not even 2 times. So that is 101 times. This is not even 2 times. That means, is it following a particular pattern? No. At that situation, that means by seeing the numbers, you might feel that this is not addition, subtraction based series. This is a multiplication based series. But it is not happening. Then what you have to do is, if standard logic is not there, multiplication division is not there, addition, subtraction also you feel that that is not there, still what you have to do is, you should go with the differences only. Okay. If I go with the differences, what is the difference between these 2 numbers? 100 added. Say yes or no? How much is added? 64. Now you will get the clarity. What is 164? Squares. Perfect squares. This is 10 square. This is 8 square. 10 and 8, are they consecutive or evens? Evens in the descending order, decreasing order. 10, previous one is 8, so the next one is Kapil, you are giving 217 is the right answer. Good. Okay, 8 square. The next one should be 6 square. Means how much I have to add? 36. Verify. 11 minus 5, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. Yes, it is matching. That means the logic you have imagined is correct. So then what is the next number that we have to add? 4 square. Means how much is? 16. 201 plus 16 is 217. That is the answer. समझ गया? So that means by seeing the numbers you might feel that that is multiplication or division, but if you won't find that that is not fitting here, go with the differences. Okay, so in number series, differences is ultimate logic. Differences is ultimate. Okay, right. If these three doesn't works, that means if you even if you go with the differences, again standard logic. This is standard logic only, right? Squares. Okay, standard logics are again multiplication, division, again addition, subtraction. Something might be there. If still it is not there, then it is a strange logic. In general, strange logics are digit-based logics. In general, strange logics are digit-based logics. Okay, digit logics. What is meant by digit logic? I'll give one example so that you will get the clarity about it. Okay, what's the answer for this? Try it. I'll give you a question. 15, 21, 24, 30, 33, 39, 51. What's the next one? Come on, online students, try it. Give me the answer fast. Whether you get it or not, that is secondary. Trying is our primary target. Can I say what's the logic that you followed? Plus 6 plus 3. Am I right? Is it applicable everywhere? Do you find any anomaly that you added 12? What's the difference between 39 and yeah, Kapil, 57 is right answer, but I'm asking you why. What's the difference between 39 and 51? Is it 6? Is it 3? Is it 12? Yes, it is. Observe a point, my dear person, else you feel that here to here 6 is added, right? Here to here 3 is added. Again 6, again 3, again 6. You feel that again 3, but it is not there. Am I right? You feel that he might have given a wrong answer, wrong question. Am I right or wrong? Undoubtedly will get the third only. Okay. So, but the point you should observe is that is not. Okay. What's the point you should notice is, what are the numbers that I'm adding is, I'm not getting 6 directly. I'm adding these two digits, 1 plus 5. I'm getting 6. What I'm adding? Sum of digits I'm adding. Okay. What's the number 21? 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. That 3 I'm adding. Okay. So, 2 plus 4 is how much? 6. I'm adding that one. 3 plus 0 is how much? 3. That is the number I'm adding. 3 plus 3 is how much? 6. That is the number I'm adding. So, 3 plus 9 is how much? 12. I'm adding 12. Am I right or wrong? So, next how much I have to add? 5 plus 1. That means how much I have to add? 6. So, answer is 57. Considering two numbers at a time. Kapil, change the logic. Do you understand this? So, this is strange logics known as digit-based logics. Now, I added the sum of the digits. Tomorrow, I might subtract. Tomorrow, I might multiply the digits. Okay. I might multiply the numbers with sum of the digits, etc., etc. Okay. Those are all strange logics. Okay. Good. Okay. I'll give one more example and then I'll start some questions. Okay. Good, Kapil. Okay. Good. See, if you observe, two logics I can give you. 1 and 2 one set, 2 and 4 one set, 3 and 6 one set, 4 and 8 another set. Okay. Double, 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 double. Then what happens? So 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. Next one is 5, 10, right? So the next number is 5. Am I right or wrong? That is the answer. The other way of doing this is, observe, look at the board. Very important one. Yeah, somebody said 11. No, Kapil, it's 5 only. Okay, the other logic is, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, next one is 5. Alternate series. If you want to say that that is the correct logic, there is one condition. What are the left numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8. They should have a relation. That relation might be same as the previous one or might be different from the previous one. అర్థమైందా? ఇంతకు ముందు ఏ రిలేషన్ ఉందమ్మా? 1, 2 అన్నప్పుడు +1, +1, +1 అండ్ సో అవునా కదా? ఇప్పుడు +1 లేదు. 2, 4కి వెళ్తే +2 ఉంది. 4, 6కి వెళ్తే +2 ఉంది. The logic might be different, but there should be a relation. If it is there, then that is the alternate series. Definitely that is correct one. Okay? Good. సమజైందా? Right, this is known as alternate series. Okay? So, these 4 steps are important. I hope you have already copied these 4 steps. Okay, standard or general logics and multiplication, division logics, addition, subtraction based and differences alias and strange logics. Okay, good. Yeah, try to answer this question. You can easily do it. Yeah, +1, 0, 2, -1. Oh my god, you are giving much complex logic, Supriya. Yeah, already we did this problem, you know. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Fibonacci series. Am I right? So 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to how much? 13. Now tell me, we discussed or not? I have given the same numbers 13 and I asked for the next question 13 plus 8, 21 you have given, right? Okay. Funny. Good, Shruti, Sandeep, Kapil, Vidyashri, Taha, good, and Venkata, something. Okay, good. See the next question. Yeah, if it is a question that was given for descriptive, what will you do? Sum of two consecutive numbers is the third number. So, then you have to write that 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So, 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So, answer is 5 plus 8. That is equals to 13. That's it. Am I right or wrong? Okay. See, in this topic, focusing on descriptive is not important because you can do this, right? You can easily create your own. Okay. Right. See the next one. Yeah, this already I have explained, right? Okay, good. So the next one. Right, a beautiful question. Kapil, you are giving the answer. I don't know whether it is correct or wrong. First, I am asking you why. Kapil, is the question correct or wrong? Vijayasri, I am asking you why 36. Is it wrong or correct? Correct or wrong? No idea. See, difference is the logic, right? Definitely standard logic is not there. Am I right? Next one is we should think of for multiplication, division and addition, subtraction, right? Good, Kapil, perfect answer. Okay. Right. So, then what we will think is, we will go with the differences. What's the difference here? 12. Increased or decreased? Decreased. What's the difference here? 9. What's the difference here? By seeing these two, you will feel that that is by mistake he has given. Am I right or wrong? No. So, what I am doing is 7 plus 5 I am subtracting. Sum of digits I am subtracting. Okay. So, 6 plus 3 I am subtracting. That's why 9 subtracting. 5 plus 4 I am subtracting. Okay. Next, what I have to subtract? 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is how much? 9. 45 minus 9 is how much? 36. What is the answer? 8. So, if this question was given in the examination, what will you do? Descriptive. Right, same 75 minus 7 plus 5. From the number, he is subtracting the sum of the digits to get the next number. Write one statement followed by 75 minus 7 plus 5 is equal to 63. 63 minus 6 plus 3, that is equal to how much? 54. So 54 minus 5 plus 4, that is equal to 45. 45 minus 4 plus 5, how much it is? 36. Okay, that is the answer. Samjhe? Good. One statement you have to write, that is, from each number he is subtracting the sum of the digits of the same number to get the next number. Can I go to the next question? Yeah. Come on, try it. A beautiful question. Completed? Don't worry, I'll explain you, okay? This is 1 power 1. This is 2 power 2. This is 4 power 4. This is 5 power 5. This is 6 power 6. What's the logic? N power n is the logic. Am I right? Whatever the number is the base, the same power. Good, right answer, Kapil. So 1, 2. So next one is 3 power 3. So how much it is? 27. So B is the answer. Let me try to answer this question also simultaneously. Same logic with a small difference. Okay, look at the board. This is 1 power 0. This is 2 power 1. This is 3 square. This is 5 power 4. This is 6 power 5. Logic here is n power n minus 1. Whatever is the base, I will write power minus 1. Okay, so 1 power 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 power 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 power 3 minus 1 is 2. So answer will be how much? 4 cube. How much it is? 64. These two are two strange logics, right? We won't get it from our regular general or standard logics and multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Alright, see the next beautiful question. Good, good. Supriya, check your answer. Okay, completed? So the next one. 2, 8, 26, blank, 242. Okay, look at the board. We have two logics we can discuss. As I said, don't go with the small numbers. Go with as large as possible. 8 and 26 means, by seeing this, I am saying plus 3 into 3 plus 2. Because standard logic is not there now. I am going with addition, subtraction, multiplication. Started with 2 and ended with 242 means very large gap is there. That's why I am going with multiplication. 8 3s are 24 plus 2, right? Okay, I am checking whether it is same here or not. Yes, 2 3s are 6 plus 2. Yes, it is there. Into 3 plus 2 is matched so far. I'll check here. Into 3 plus 2. 26 3s are 78. 78 plus 2 is 80. Listen carefully. After getting 80, we should not stop there. We should even check, is it matching here or not? Into 3 plus 2. Okay? Some students in general, if it is a blank, they will stop here itself. They won't further check it, right or wrong? We should. Okay, 83 is 240 plus 2 is 242. Okay? Since it is matching, that is the answer. The other logic for it is 2 means 3 power 1 minus 1. Am I right? 3 power 1 is 3 minus 1. 8 means 3 square minus 1. Am I right? 3 square is 9 minus 1. 26 is 3 cube minus 1. Am I right? 3 cube is 27 minus 1. Okay. So, if you observe, this is 3 power 5 minus 1. 3 power 5 is equal to 243. Okay. 243 minus 1 means 242. So, what will be the answer? Automatically, you can give me the answer. 3 power 1, 2, 3, 5. So, in between the missed one is 3 power 4 minus 1. 3 power 4 is 81 minus 1. So, answer is 80. Two logics are there. So, what's the answer? A. Right, shall we go for the next question? Don't worry. I'll explain you. Actually, this is a wrong number series. Okay, I thought I have explained you wrong number series. Okay. Yeah, in number series, one model is there that is known as wrong number series. We should know clearly the difference between wrong number series and odd man out. Okay. Let us see the difference between wrong number series and odd man out. Okay. Suppose I am taking an example. 5, 27, 345, 15. Suppose these are the numbers. If you observe, except 27, all are multiples of 5. Am I right? This is known as the odd one. Right, this is known as the odd one. Okay? Right, now the point you should notice is, I am giving another example. 5, 27, 25, 35. In this also, which is the wrong one, odd one? 27 only. Why? Because all are 5 multiples except 27. Okay, good. But in this case, if I replace 27 with 15, is it forming a series or not? Plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. It's forming a series. Here, if you replace 27 with 15, 25, 35, whatever you want, it doesn't form a series. Am I right? This is odd man out. This is odd man out. This is wrong number series. Wrong number series. Only two differences are there between odd man out and wrong number series. This is one difference. Do you find clearly about wrong number series and odd man out? Okay. The next difference that we have to notice is, observe. Okay. In general, odd man out we can easily understand. In this class, who is odd? In this class, who is odd? Undoubtedly, I am the odd one. Because you are all students. I am not. See, now I am having a question that, see, why I am an odd man out? Why I am an odd one? I am asking you. Don't give two answers. You are learning. I am not learning. In this way you can say, I am a faculty. You are not. This is another way. Which is correct? If I am an odd man, then what you have to think is, the others you should form a group. You are the other ones, right? You are all students. I am not. That's why I am an odd man. I am a faculty. That is not the reason I am an odd one. Am I right or wrong? So, my specialty you should not give. Why I am unfit in this one, you have to explain. Samajhe? Okay, you are all students. You are forming one group. Which group it is? Students group. Am I fitting in that group? That's why you will say that you are an odd one. Okay. That means you should find a similarity between the group and one will not fit into that. That is the odd one. Okay. So in this one, the point you should notice is you should not say that when compared to her, he is 1 year older. When compared to she is 1 year older. When compared to her, he is 1 year older. That means elder. I am not 1 year elder. Is this a valid logic in this type of questions? Odd one out? No. If 10 students are there is no odd one. Am I right or wrong? So that means property or characteristic we will see. We will not think of it is multiplication, it is addition, it is subtraction. We should not think. That means in wrong number series, what we can do is, suppose if I have given a question like this, suppose 24 and the next one is 60 and the next one is 120 and the next one is 210 and the next one is something 342. Suppose these are the numbers. Okay. Then what I can say is this is 3 cube minus 3. This is 4 cube minus 4. 5 cube minus 5. Right or wrong? So this is a characteristic or a multiplication, division, etc. This is a characteristic. Then this characteristic we can say that this is for odd one out as well as wrong number series. But suppose if I have given a numbers like this 5, 15, 40, 135, 405. Here 40 will only be a wrong number series, it's not odd one out. Why? Because here to here it is into 3. Here to here it is into 3. If it is into 3, it should be how much? 45. If it is into 3, it should be how much? 135. Yes, it is matching. Then this will not be odd one out. That means in odd one out, we should not go with additions, subtractions, multiplications, etc., which we can follow in number series. In odd one out, only property that we should memorize is, okay, except one person or one element or one option, everything forms a group. Okay, so that one who is not forming in that group, that is known as odd one out. Hope you understand the difference between odd one out and wrong number series. Okay, right, good. So now I have explained you what is meant by wrong number series. Now I'll give 1 or 2 simple examples for wrong number series. Later I'll go with this example. This because this is a very beautiful example. Okay, right, good. See, observe. I'm giving a simple example. So you can easily give the answer, right? What is the wrong number here? What is the wrong number? 42. Okay, it should be corrected as 45. So wrong number can be corrected. Okay, so good. Now the property is plus 10. I'm moving from the left hand. Plus 10. Plus 10. Plus 10. It's not. Am I right or wrong? So you are moving from the left hand, where you find the first wrong number, first anomaly, first problematic situation. That is the wrong number. This is the first situation where you face the problem, right? That is the wrong number. Okay, good. Suppose if I have given a question like this, this time it's preferable for me to travel from the right to left. Am I right or wrong? So happily, this is plus 10 or minus 10? Minus 10. This is also minus 10. This is also minus 10. Sir, this is not minus 10, sir. First anomaly got it. So that is the wrong number series. That is the wrong number. That means if you are checking from the left end, where you find the first mistake, that is the wrong number. If you are traveling from the right end, where you find the first mistake, that is known as the wrong number. Okay, good. Some other cases, I'll show you an example. Okay, which is the odd one, suppose. Oh, sorry, wrong number. Identify it. You are unable to travel from the left end. You are unable to travel from the right end. My dear online students, say so far, is it clear for you or not? Yeah, are you clear so far? Except this example. Okay, good. The point is, if you can easily identify from the left end, where you find the first mistake, that is the answer. If you are traversing from the right end, if it is easy for you, where you find the first mistake, that is the answer. Sometimes you are unable to identify that, then where you find 2 mistakes, the middle one is known as the odd one. So wrong number, okay? Good, Vijayasri. Let observe here, into 2 is there, by 3 is there, into 3 is there, by, definitely it is decreased, it means by only. So into by I came to notice, but some extent I am facing a problem, right? Okay, 2, 3, I am facing some problem, I am facing some problem. 2, 3 means the next one might be 4 or 5, I feel happy. 2, 3, 4, 5 something, I feel happy. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 means prime number, I am happy. But I am facing 2 problems, right? So in between, what's the number? that is the wrong number. Okay, into 2 by 3, next one should be into 4. If it is into 4, it will be 40. Then automatically it will be into 4, divided by 5. 40 by 5 is 8. Matching or not? Where you find 2 mistakes, the middle one is the wrong number. Okay? Okay, good. Okay, where you find 2 mistakes, the middle one is the wrong number. Samajhe? Good. Copy this one as a wrong number series. Yeah, after wrong number series, we will go for letter series, okay? Before going to letter series, I'll give a break. Right, look here. This is the wrong number series. Here, in the number series only, I'll give 2-3 examples. Look at the board. So, example 1, 12, 6, 6, 9, 18. What's the next number? 12, 6, 6, 12, 48. What's the next example? 10, 30, 60, 20, 80, 10. What's the next example? Next one. 20, 25, 15, 10. What's the next number? Okay. So, these 4 series we have to learn. Okay. These are the models. Okay. Right, good. Observe one by one. Yeah, in these two, one common property is there. It is decreased, followed by it is increasing. The graph is like this. Say yes or no? Decreased and then increased, right? Okay, in these 2 cases, that is the one. In these 2 cases, the logics might be into 0.5, into 1, into 1.5, into 2, into 2.5 and so on. What you notice is, every time I am adding 0.5, right or wrong? 0.5 added, 0.5 added, 0.5 added, 0.5. Am I right or wrong? I am multiplying with numbers, okay, but I am adding 0.5 every time. The another logic is into 0.5, into 1, into 2, into 4, into 8. 0.5 doubled, 1 doubled, 2 doubled, 4 doubled. Am I right? This is another logic. Okay. In general, any of these 2 is applicable there. So 12, 6. Yes, into 0.5 is there. Happy. 6, 1 into 1 is there. In these 2, this part is same, right? The next one we have to verify. First one or second one. So 6, see, into 2 is easy for us, right? That's why I am verifying into 2. 6 into 2, 12. It's not there. Means it's not into 2. It might be into 1.5. Check it. 6 into 1.5 is how much? Into 1.5 means into 1 and into half. Into 0.5 means into half. 6 ones are 6. 6 into half is 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Are you getting the point? I am asking you only. Okay. Are you? Okay, good. So, next 9 into 2 is 18. So, into 1.5 into 2. The next one should be into 2.5. 18 into 2.5. Means I will go with 18 into 2. 18 into half. 18 2s are 36. 18 half means 9. 36 plus 9 is 45. That is the answer. Okay. Next one, if you observe, into 0.5 into 1, happy. Next it is into 2. That means first series or second series? Second series. The next one should be into 4. Yes or no? Yes. Next one should be into 8. 48 8 means, yeah, 400 minus 16, 384. Okay? Okay. So observe these two. These two have a similarity that increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, right? Increasing, decreasing means 2 logics again. As I said earlier, multiplication, division, etc., etc. This is one logic. The other one is addition, subtraction, alternate. Okay? I have given both here. 30, 60 into 2. 60, 20 by 3. Am I right? Okay. Next one into 4. Next one is by 5. This is 16 as you. Okay? So then what happens? Into, divide by, next one should be into. 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one should be 6. 16 and 6s are 96. That's it. That is the answer. Okay? Good. Come to the next one. 20, 25. Increased by how much? 5. 25, 15. Decreased by 10. 15 and 30. Increased by 15. So, if you observe, plus, minus, plus. Next one is minus. Next one is plus. Okay. Observe the numbers 5, 10, 15, 20. Next one should be 25. Am I right or wrong? So 10 plus 25, how much it is? 35. That's it. That is the answer. Okay. Good. The other way, observe a point. Observe a point. 10, 15, how much is decreased? I'm going with the alternate logic. 5. 15 and 10, how much is decreased? 5. So logic is okay, right? 25 and 30, how much is increased? 30. Next one, how much should be increased? 5, right? That is a perfect wrong answer. By seeing two numbers, you should not come for a judgment. In this logic, you have only two numbers I have given. The third one I am asking. By seeing 25 and 30, you will say that this is plus 5. Next one is also plus 5, 35. Yes, this is one valid logic. I am not saying that is the wrong one, wrong logic. But this is plus 5, this is plus 10, this is plus 15. Like this also I can take, right? I can take. This might be a logic, right? Then how much it will be? 40. This is also a valid logic. Okay. This is plus 5, this is plus 10, this is plus 20. Double I am adding. Can I? Then also 40 will be the answer, right? So 25 and 60, 25 and 30, right? By seeing this, I can say that this is 6 by 5. Observe, 25 into 6 by 5. 5 5s are 5 into 6 is 30. Am I right or no? So the next one might be 7 by 6. Say yes or no? So this, then 30 by 6 means 5. 5 into 7 is 35. That might be the answer. That means, are you able to say that that is the logic here? No. By seeing two numbers, you should not give any logic. That is a blunder. What I can say? By seeing two numbers, we should not go with a logic. Okay. So identification of logics is mistake if you go with by seeing two numbers only. Okay. So here what the mistake that you are doing? 25 and 30 you are saying that plus 5. By seeing these two numbers you are saying that again plus 5. Is it possible or not possible? Not possible. That is a wrong logic. Answer might be correct in this case, but that logic is wrong. Okay. Good. Anyhow, do you understand these questions? These 4 are in number series only. Okay. We will go with wrong number series now. Yeah, it's getting late. No problem. Have 10 minutes of break. Okay. Yeah, have 10 minutes of break. And one more point. Meanwhile, in your brain, practice alphabets you will write, right? A2, A, B, C, D and so on. A1, B is 2, C is 3, Z is 26, 15 is 15, right? Practice it. A1, B2, C3 and so on. Okay, O is 15. Something 20 if he is asking, T is 20. Okay, J is 10. Whatever. If I give the position value, you should give the alphabet. If I ask the alphabet, you should give the position value. Okay, practice it. Have 10 minutes of break meanwhile. Right, now see the question. 4, 2.5, 3.5, 6.5 and so on. Okay, what he is asking. What is the, is it a wrong number series? What is the wrong one he is asking? Observe a point. 4, 2.5 decreased. Then continuously it is increasing, right? So decreased and then increased means what's the logic I said? Into 0.5, into 1, into 1.5, into 2 and so on, or into 0.5, into 1, into 2, into 4, into 8 and so on, right? Two logics, let us verify. Okay, it's just beyond that one, okay, little beyond that one. So 4, 2.5 means definitely it is into 0.5, am I right? Into 0.5 is how much? 2 only, it is 2.5. That carry we will see later. Okay, here to here it is into 1, right? Okay, here to here into 2, that much is not there. So into 1.5 might be there, right? So now I am going with the carries. 4 into 0.5 is 2 plus 0.5. Okay, into 0.5 plus 0.5. Next one, 2.5 into 1, 2.5, 3.5 means plus 1. So whatever you are multiplying, the same number you are adding. Am I right? Into 0.5 plus 0.5. Into 1 plus 1. So next one into 1.5 means I have to write into plus 1.5 also, right? Okay. 3.5 into 1.5 we have to perform, right? So 3.5, 1.5 means 1 plus 0.5. Say yes or no? 3.5 into 1 is 3.5. 3.5 into 0.5 means half. Half means 1.75. Okay, 5, 2 and 5, 5.25. How much I have to add? 1.5 I have to add. Then how much it will be? 6.75. How much it is? 6.5. I am feeling that that is the wrong one. But I am unable to conclude because my logic may be wrong. Am I right or wrong? That I have to verify later. So, if it is into 1.5 plus 1.5, the next one should be into 2 plus 2. The actual number is 6.5 or 6.75? Now we have to verify with 6.75 into 2 plus 2. If it matches, yes it is. Okay, 6.75 into 2. Okay, we have to double it, right? 6 if I double, 12. 0.75 if I double, 1.5. Together is how much? 13.5 into 2 ho gaya. Now I have to perform plus 2. Okay, 2 if I add, how much it will be? 15.5. Yes, it is matching. Into 2 plus 2 is matching. Now the one we have to verify into 2.5 plus 2.5 or not. 15.5 into 2, 31. 15.5 into half. Into half means by 2, right? By 2 means 15 by 2 is 7.75. Okay. So it is how much? 38.75. How much I have to add extra? 2.5. Add it 5. This is 11. 41.5. Yes, it is matching. Means what is the wrong one here? 6.5 is the wrong one. So which option is the answer? Fourth option is the answer. Okay. Good. In reasoning, especially number series, letter series, analogy, odd one out, coding, decoding, in these 5 topics, these 4 topics, if you know the logic, then you feel that it's very simple. If you don't know that, okay, just hit it to the wall, you won't get the answer, okay? That much beautiful it is. So the next question, wrong number series, of course I have already given the introduction for you, right, regarding wrong number series. Let's see the problems here. 33, 321, 465, 537, 573, 590, 600. Actually, by seeing the first number and the last number, I am getting an idea that this difference is very large. Means which is the logic? Multiplication is the logic. But sir, here to here it is into 1 only, right? Core logic I am writing. Here to here also it is into 1. Here to here also it is not even into 2, right or wrong? Everywhere into 1 means, is it a multiplication based logic or not? No, it is not. Every time into 1 means it's not multiplication, right or wrong? The same number itself. That's why this is not a multiplication based logic. Okay. So we have to go with differences. Okay. Right. What's the difference between these two numbers? 33 and 321. 11 minus 3, 8. 11 minus 3, 8. And 2 asterisk, 288 is the difference. Okay. Get, let's see. My dear online students, all of you say once either hi or is it clear for you or something, because I just want to know you are listening or not. Okay. Good. So 5 minus 1, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay. 144 added. Okay. Good. 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 Right, here to here, 7 minus 5, 2. 13 minus 6, 7. So 4 minus 4. Yes. Do you understand any logic behind it? 288 half, 144. 144 half, 72. So next one should be half of 72. How much it should be? So you are adding or subtracting every time? Adding, increasing, right or wrong? So 36 should be added. If you add 36, 7 plus 6, 13 matched. Okay, 4 plus 3, 7 matched. 5 as is matched. Okay. Then do you understand the logic? Yes. Then go with the next one. So 36 half, how much it is? 18. 573. Sir, units digit is not matching, sir. Say sir, no. That means that is the odd one. So what's the answer? D is the answer. Okay. Can I go to the next question? Do you understand how I am inducing the logic? Good. 3, 7, 16, 35, 72, 153, 312. By saying you can easily give the methodology for it. Yeah, out of 4, which is the logic here? General logic, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, strange logic. Yeah, square plus something. Yeah, where it is? 3. Which square it is? 4 minus 1. Okay, try it, no problem. Think it and try it. Some people had given the answer. Good. Right, look at the board. See, standard logic means magical numbers should be there. Are they available? Magical numbers not available. So leave it. Then look at the board here. So either addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, right or wrong? Then what I will think is, sir, first number is 3, last number is 300. Means mostly it is multiplication. I will go with little larger numbers. 7 and 16 means into 2. 16 and 35 nearly into 2, right or wrong? So now I got the clarity that it is into 2. Okay. Yeah, 3 and 7 also into 2. Yes. Now I am writing the carries also. Into 2 plus 1. 7 into 2 is 14 plus 2. 16 into 2 is 32 plus 3, 35. So far it is matched. What do you notice? Into 2 is common. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on. Next one is 35 into 2. 70. You got plus 2. Means maybe the wrong one. First mistake. Okay. So how much it should be? Into 2 plus 4. 35 2s are 70 plus 4 means 74. I am assuming that is correct one. If it is correct, next one should be how much? Into 2 plus 5. Am I right or wrong? 72 I have to verify or 74 I have to verify? Keep that point in your brain. Okay. 74 into 2, how much it is? 148 plus 5. Yes, 153 matching. Next one also into 2 plus 6. 153 into 2, 306 plus 6 is 312. Yes. So what is the wrong one? 72. Already some students has given that. Yeah, Vijayasri, by mistake you have given the wrong answer. Okay. Good. Samajh gaya? For you, number series is most important. Wrong number series, in the worst situation he might give. Okay. Okay. Stop it. Here, any standard logic is there? It's not possible. In standard logic, the decimal points are not there. Am I right? That means this is not standard logic. Okay. Then we have to think of multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, right? Okay. The differences are very small or very large. Means either multiplication or division. Since it is decreasing, division. The other way to identify that this is definitely a division based logic is decimals are getting increased. That means that definitely this is division. Definitely that is division. Okay. Good. 484, 240. It's nearly by 2. Say yes or no? 484 by 2 means 242. But how much it is? 240. So by 2 minus 2. 240 by 2 is exactly 120. Means minus 0. Okay. I am unable to say this is correct or that is correct. I am unable to say. Okay. So next one. 120 by 2 is how much? 60. This is minus 3. All the 3 are different, right? So it's too good. Next one. 57 by 2 is how much? 57 by 2. 2 2s, 17 means 2 8s, 0.5, right? 28.5, but it is 26.5, means minus 2. Now verify, any calculation repeated? Repeated? Which one? By 2 minus 2. Say yes or no? So 99% that is the logic. Okay? So recheck here also. By 2 minus 2, I am fixing that is the logic. 26.5. 26 by 2, 13. 0.5 by 2, 2.5. Am I right? Am I right? Minus 2, 11.25. Yes, it is matching. Means, what is the logic here? Minus, divide by 2, minus 2. Where are the 2 mistakes you noticed? Here. If you notice 2 mistakes, the middle one is the answer, right? For these 2 mistakes, what is the middle one? That is the wrong one. Okay? Good, Kapil. 6, 10, 14, 34, 66, 132, sorry, 130, 258. Try to give the logic. Answer we will see later. I don't think so. It's increasing, right? Why do you go with the division? Multiplication. You are coming from the right end. Yes, correct. Okay. Observe a point. Yeah. Actually, by seeing the numbers, I can say that this is not standard logic. This is either multiplication, division or addition, subtraction. And first number is 6, last number is 258 means large gap, means multiplication, division. So I won't go with small numbers, I will go with little large numbers where I can handle. Okay, 34, 66 I can handle, right? Nearly how many times? Into 2. 66, 130, nearly how many times? Into 2. Am I right or wrong? Okay, so now I fixed the logic as into 2. I am even checking 130 into 2 is 260 nearly. So since 3 places it was matched, I am assuming this is also into 2, this is also into 2, this is also into 2. Now go with the carries. 6 2s are how much? 10, sorry 12. How much is there? 10, so minus 2. 10 2s are 20, 14 means minus 6. 14 2s are 28, 34 means plus 6. Oh my god, something is fishy. Okay, next one. 34 2s are 68, minus 2. Sir, I got some clarity. Anything repeated? Into 2, minus 2. Then that might be the logic. Verify. 66 2s are 132, minus 2. Yes, it is. 132s are 260, minus 2. Yes, it is. So where do you find the 2 mistakes? So in between the number is, that is the wrong one. Do you understand? This one involves these two. This one involves these two. Am I right? So middle one is 14. Where you find two mistakes, the middle one is the answer. See, when I am explaining about the basic level examples on wrong number series, you might feel that, sir, why the middle number from the left end we can, or from the right end we can, why should we? But when coming to the picture, you will notice that. Okay? Good. So the next one, maybe the last one. Yes. Come on, anybody? Yes, right answer, Kapil. Right, look at the board. Look at the board. So you are very much poor at multiplications. Am I right? That's killing most of your time. Am I right? Am I right? So by seeing these two, you can say that this is nearly into 5. Am I right? Okay. These two are also nearly into 5 as well as nearly into 4 in between them. Okay. These two is not into 4, not into 5. It's into 3 only. If it is into 5, it is also into 5, then it should also be, but it is into 3 only. This is also not into 5, right or wrong? That means that definitely this is not into 5. Am I right or wrong? I am eliminating it. Into 5, into 4, into 3. Next one should be into 2. Next one should be into 1. Now I am writing the carries. Okay. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1. 3 into 2, 6 plus 2. So whatever you are multiplying, the same number you are adding. 8 into 3, 24. You are not adding anything. Means maybe that is the wrong one. Am I right? Into 3 means it should be plus 3. Then it should be how much? 27. If it is correct, into 4 plus 5 should match plus 4. Am I right or wrong? 27 4s are 108. Okay. See, 27 into 4, right? You can feel that it is 25 plus 2. 25 4s are 100, 2 4s are 8. 108. Ambulance number. Okay. Right. 108 plus 4, 112. Okay. 112 into 5 plus 5, yes, it is matching. 100 5s are 500, 12 5s are 60, plus 5 65, yes it is. So what's the wrong one? 27. 24 is the wrong one. What is the correct one? 27 is the correct one. Good, Shalini. Good. Can I go to the next question? Yeah, with this is completed, right? We'll go with the letter series. Okay. Yeah, thank you. We'll start the next one called letter series. Okay, good. Letter series by myself, Amanadi Mani. Let's go with some empty slides and we will discuss about letter series. Okay, you have already seen, excuse me. Right, so let's go with the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I said memorize the position values, right? Have you memorized? Yes? I'll ask randomly. Will you answer? Right. E. 5. Yes. 19. P. 16. A. 1. N. 14. Okay. Z. 26. M. 13. M is J. 10. Y. 25. H. 8. Okay. Then F. 6. R. 18. U. 21. W. 23. C. 3. Okay. O. 15. Okay. G. 7. T. If you see here, what will happen is after 19, 20 only, right? You can get like this. That's why I am not pointing out. I am asking, you have to give me the answer, later I will point out. Okay? I. 9. M. 13. Okay. K. 11. B. 2. Okay. X. 24. Okay, good. Q 17. Good. So in game L 12, V 22. Okay, these are the position values, right? Okay, so what we have to do is, so we know the alphabets A to Z. If we give 5 is which one, 10 is which one, we can give the answers very easily, right? Suppose now I am asking, okay, 5 is which one? 5. E, Colgate ad. Okay, 12 is? L. See, for M, earlier you have given 14. Later you have given 12. Good. So don't keep such hints. Okay, I don't say that is wrong one, but I will say that is not the best one. Because some things we should not forget. That should come instantly, right? One of such thing is, this is the one. If you memorize perfectly letter series, the letter series, letter analogy, letter odd man out, coding, decoding. In 4 topics we will use it. Okay. Suppose if I say that memorize these position values, okay, either vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, automatically if you know A, automatically B, C you can get it. If you know E, automatically D, F, G you can go for it. If you know I, H and J, K, L you can memorize. Okay, not memorize, you can verify. Whenever you find L, okay, I, J, K, L, that means you can count it. If you know O, you can count it. Letter 21, yeah, that means U is 21. Means with gaps only those are there. But that is not the preferable way. Why? Because instantly you should go for it. Or else you won't find the logics for it. Okay, that's why blindly memorize it. In the midnight suddenly, what is O? You should say that 15, sir. That much comfortable it should be. Okay, good, memorize it. Next one. So, okay, what is 21? U. What is 17? Q. Okay. Now my question is, what is 36? Problematic, right? 36. Alphabet ends with 26, right? But I am asking 36. Then you should memorize that alphabets are cyclic. Okay. Yeah, somebody is giving. Oh, good. Okay, A to Z alphabets 1 to 26. Again A 27. Again B 28, and so on. Again Z 52, and so on. This will never ends. In this process, if you want 36, that means if it is not in the range of 1 to 26, then happily subtract 26. If you subtract 26, how much you will get? 10. 10 means J. 36 means also the same J only. Okay. So now tell me 49. What's the alphabet? Shalini, what's the answer for this one? Huh? W. Subtractions, you did the mistake. 26 you should subtract, it will be 23. 23 means which alphabet? W. That means 49 is also W only. Samajh gaya? Now my question is, what is 75? Good. See, 2 things you can do. 75 I am asking, right? Subtract 26. How much you will get? 49. Is it in your range? No. Then again subtract 26. 3 to 23. 23 means which option? W. That means 49 is also W, 75 is also W. This is one way to do it. Next one, 75. Okay, 26 table if you learn, 26 ones are 26, 26 twos are 52, 26 threes are 78, 26 fours are 104, 26 fives are 130, suppose. Okay, 75 is lying between these two, right? Am I right or wrong? Happily directly subtract 52. You will get 23. So W. So this is also W. Samajhe? You can subtract 26, you can subtract 52, you can subtract 78, you can subtract 104, no problem at all. So this is one case that you have to observe. Do you understand what I am saying? Okay. The other case you should notice is, sir, 10 is J, sir. If I add 26, 36, it is also J only, right or wrong? Am I right? 23 is W, sir. If I add 26, 49, it is also W, sir. If I add 52, it is 75, it is also W, sir. Moral of the story is, whether you add 26 or 26 multiples, you will get the same answers. Say yes or no? Same alphabets. Sir, the reverse, sir, what the reverse is, sir, if you say some alphabet 75 is W, okay, Even if you subtract 26 also, you will get the same answer. Say yes or no. That is 49 is also W only, right or wrong? That means whether you add 26 or you subtract 26, you will get the same alphabet. समझ आइंदा? Clear for you? Whether you add 26 or you subtract 26, you will get the same alphabet. For any alphabet. Okay? So 75 W. If you subtract 26 also, that is also W. If I subtract 26 also, you will get 23, that is also W only, right or wrong? That is the point. Whether you add 26 and 26 multiples, you will get the same alphabet. Whether you subtract 26 and 26 multiples, you will get the same alphabet. Okay? Good. So with this, what we can do is, now I am giving some different range of alphabets, sorry, number, position values, you should give the alphabets. Okay? Right, 43. Try it fast. Use the paper and pen at least. Online students also, make it fast. This is a mistake from memorizing the alphabets. Yeah. So subtract 26, how much it is? 17, it is Q, that means 43 also Q. Okay. Next one, 94. How much is subtracted? No. 104. You will get positive or negative? Okay. So happily subtract 26 if you want, or else subtract 52. If you memorize, subtract 78, no problem. Okay. So subtracting not, yeah, for the previous question, Q is correct answer. Okay. So subtract, how much it is? 8 and this is 5. Again subtract 26, you will get, sorry, 32. Again subtract 26, you will get 6. My God, somewhere we did the mistake. This is 68. Then this is 42. Then this is 16. 16 means which option? P. So 94 is also P. 68 is also P. 42 is also P. Am I right? Okay, now my question is -3. Use your brain. Kapil, Shruti both have given the wrong answers. X, good. Good. What's the point I said earlier? Whether you add 26 or subtract 26, you will get the same answer, right? Previous one you subtracted, now I am adding. Because I know only the range from 1 to 26. Am I right? This is not in that range. To get it into that range, I should add 26. Am I right or wrong? Then automatically 26 minus 3 is how much? 23. 23 means W. So minus 3 is also W. Okay? Okay? Good. Next one, minus 15. Okay? It's minus, right? So add 26. If I add 26, 26 minus 15, it is 11. 11 means K. So minus 15 is also K. Okay? Do you understand this part? Can I go to the next one? Okay, good. Now we have to discuss about two more topics called similar and opposite pairs. Okay, first I am going with the similar pair. Similar pair means, so if you observe, I have written the first half and I have written the second half. No. First half and second half in the similar manner only. Okay, first half is A to M. Second half is N to Z. Okay, so what is the difference between these two alphabets? Observe. 13. What's the difference between these two alphabets? D is 4, right? 13. What's the difference between these two alphabets? 13. What's the difference between last two? How much? 13. The difference between a pair of alphabets is 13. We will call it as similar pair. Its another name is corresponding pair. Similar or corresponding pair. Okay. A pair of alphabet is said to be a similar pair or corresponding pair if the difference in their position values is 13. Okay. Good. Next one. See examples. Suppose AN is one similar pair example. GT is another pair of example. And MZ is another pair of example. Say yes or no. You can write any other. Okay. Good. What we have to do is, whenever we want to calculate the similar pair, we will not memorize it. Suppose randomly if he is asking what is the similar pair for something G. Okay. It's already there, na? Don't see there, because in the examination that will not be there. Okay. What we have to do? So difference is 13. Means if the smaller number is there, 13 should be added, you will get the larger one. Larger is given, 13 subtracted, smaller you will get. First half and second half, which is larger and which is smaller? First half is smaller. If the given alphabet is in the first half, add the 13. How much you will get? 20. 20 means T. Z corresponding pair or similar pair is T. Similarly, T corresponding or similar pair is G. Suppose if he is asking P, then what we have to do? P is first half or second half? Second half means larger, subtract 13. Okay, 16 minus 13, how much it is? 3. 3 means C. So P and C are corresponding to each other. You can verify. You can verify. If you give an alphabet in the first half, add 13. If you give an alphabet in the second half, subtract 13. Okay, you will get the corresponding pairs. We won't memorize similar pair and corresponding pair. Okay, because it is useless. It's a little even less important when compared to opposite pair. We have to learn about opposite pair also. That we will memorize. Anyhow, do you understand this one? Can I go to the next? My dear online students, can I go to the next? See, let's go with the alphabets again. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, I, J, K, L, M. Okay. Now, tell me the alphabets in the reverse order. Tell me the alphabets in the reverse order. I think M is not visible clearly. Okay. Yes, it is. Okay. Reverse order. Tell me. Z, Y, X. You should be in a state to give the alphabets from left to right, right to left. See, if I ask alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H with the flow, come in the reverse order. No flow. Means you are not feeling that those are your friends. Am I right or wrong? See, my access to you is less. To your friend, very high. If these are your friends, access fastly. Not friends, you will be slow. Okay, first make them friends. Okay? Here, come on, try. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, and N. Okay? Good. Next one. So, write the position values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? Okay. 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, okay, 15 and 14. Okay, good. Now observe, if I take anyone, what's the sum of the position values? 27. What is the sum of the position values? 27. 24 plus 3, right or wrong? Okay. What is the sum of the position values? 27. So everywhere it is 27. This we will call it as opposite pairs. We'll call them as opposite pairs. This is very, 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 very important topic. Okay. For letter series, analogy, odd man out, and coding decoding. For all it is important. Okay. Good. That's why we should memorize it. A pair of alphabet is said to be an opposite pair if the sum of their position values should be 27. Sum of their position values should be 27. Don't worry, I'll ask 2 more questions later, okay, so that you will get much clarity about similar pair and opposite pair. Okay, good. So, what is opposite pair? A pair of alphabet is said to be an opposite pair if the sum of their position values should be 27. If the sum of their position values is 27. Okay, right, Shunama? So now these we should memorize: AZ, GT, MN. Okay. So if you observe, GT is the only corresponding pair as well as opposite pair. Am I right? GT is the only similar pair as well as opposite pair. Next one. Next one. So these 4 you can memorize manually: AZ, BY, CX, DW. What they are? AZ, repeat, AZ, BY, CX, DW. These 4 you can memorize manually. The middle 2, M and N, are opposite pairs. Oh my goodness. Okay, M and N are opposite, middle 2. Okay, so what they are? M and N are opposite to each other. Okay, next one. For the remaining, I'll give the codes for you. F and U, we like fun. Am I right or wrong? Every day we will expect it, right? Fun. Next one, GT, Grand Trunk, one train is there. Are you aware of it? From where to where? Yes, Chennai Central to New Delhi. So what's the specialty of this? Actually, Grand Trunk is a train from Chennai to Delhi, means very long in the track, number one. But much more longer are there already. Yes. But once upon a time, this is the fastest train in the country. Not 10 years, even 20 years back. It is a 25 years back. It is the fastest train in the country. That's why Grand Trunk has a recognition. Okay. Good. Next one. So everybody has completed their high school education. Am I right or wrong? High school, HS. Okay. Right. So we like the Indian Railways. Am I right or wrong? We are very much dependent on it. Indian Railway. IR. Okay. The playing cards lovers will definitely memorize this one called Jockey Queen, JQ. Jockey Queen. Right? So the next one. So KP, it has multiple meanings, multiple points that you can memorize. KP means Kukatpalli. Okay. KP means KP cement is there. Are you aware of it? JP cement, KP cement. KP cement is one of the old company. Okay, reverse. PK movie is there. PK Pawan Kalyan. I hope most of the students are enjoying Pawan Kalyan name. That's why I'm writing Pawan Kalyan. Okay. So these are the codes, right? So still 4 words are there. So these codes may forget the students, but these 4 nobody will forget it. Because that is LOVE. LOVE. I think nobody will memorize, forget it, right or wrong? Okay. So L and O are opposite, V and E are opposite. These are the codes for it. Okay. Undoubtedly, we should memorize it. Because quite common questions will come from this. Okay. Definitely, in your paper, 90%, one question is dependent on opposite pair. That question may be from letter series, may be from analogy, may be from odd one out, may be from coding decoding. But definitely one question will be there. That's why we should memorize it. Okay. So these 4 and the last one we should memorize. Of course, for this also we can give, that is MN means man. Okay. BY by. Am I right? So you can memorize, but I don't want to give you. Those 4 and this one you can memorize, right? So what you have to do is AZ, BY, CX, DW. Love, EV. Fun, FU. Grand Trunk, GT. High school, HS. Like that you have to say all the things. Start. Starts saying it. AZ, BY, DW. Love, VE. Code you should memorize, na? Automatically you will get it. So love, VE. Next. Fun, FU. Grand Trunk, GT. High school, HS. Indian Railway, IR. Jockey Queen, JQ. Pawan Kalyan, KP. Love, LO. MN. Okay. One more try. Try it. Jockey Queen, JQ. KP, Pawan Kalyan. Next, L. LO, love. Next, MN. Okay. So far you have seen it and said it. Now try it. AZ, BY, CX, DW. Love, VE, EV. Fun, FU. Grand Trunk, GT. High school, HS. Indian Railway, IR. What is after I? I తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుంది? J అంటే జాకీ క్వీన్, JQ. కుకట్పల్లి ఆర్ పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ KP. నెక్స్ట్ లవ్, LO. నువ్వు లవ్ ఒకటి చెప్తున్నావు, నీకు ఎంత ఇష్టమైన తర్వాత కూడా చెప్పాలి LO. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ MN. Okay. These are opposite pairs. Similar pairs and opposite pairs were successfully completed. And position values beyond that and before that were also completed, right? My letter series is the easiest one of all. Okay. అసలు కష్టం అనేదే ఉండదమ్మా. సో మీరు పొజిషన్ వాల్యూస్ మైండ్లో పెట్టుకుంటే చాలు. లెట్స్ గో విత్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ వన్ బై వన్. Directions for the following. What will come in place of question mark in the given letter series problems? Okay. So question mark place like ఏమొస్తుంది? See the first one. ACEGI. What's the next one? A means what's the position value? 1. C means 3. E means 5. G means 7. I means 9. Next one ఏంటమ్మా? 11 means K. That's it. లేదా నువ్వు మైండ్లో అనుకో, ద లెఫ్ట్ బి, ద లెఫ్ట్ D, they left F, they left H, they left J. Automatically answer will be K. Am I right? Okay. I'll ask one question, I'll if you try it, okay? Don't worry. మీరు పొజిషన్ వాల్యూస్ ఎంతసేపు ట్రై చేసిన ఆన్సర్ రాదు. ఓకే. ఎస్ మీన్స్ మనకు బాగా ఇష్టమైందమ్మా సండే. ఎం మీన్స్ మండే. టీ మీన్స్ ట్యూస్డే. డబ్ల్యూ మీన్స్ వెడ్నెస్డే. సో వాట్స్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్? సో వాట్స్ ద ఆన్సర్? సో యూ ఫైండ్ ఇట్. ఓకే. A beautiful question, right? Okay. If such questions were given in the examination, in general students will cry. No, they will weep. No. In the examination, if they find it, they will cry. When a person like me gives the answer, they will weep. Am I right or wrong? In the easy question, good. So the next question. C3. Okay, good. Go through previous papers. Check the letter series questions. Those will be this standard only. అంటే ఇంకా వస్తాయి కదా మనకి ఇదే స్టాండర్డ్లో ఉంటాయి మా బియాండ్ దట్ ఉండవు. ఓకే. సో ABCDEF 1 2 3 4 5 6. ఓకే, గెట్స్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. కమ్ ఆన్. 67 ఎన్నా M. Good. See, first point, most of you are looking about 12C, 23 and so on, thinking of the number. All the places you have 67 only, right? That means no need to think of number. You should think of alphabet. Okay, what it is? C, D is left, E, F is left, G, H is left, I, J is left, K. So what we should be leave L. So it will be M. So 67M, second option is the answer. Suppose if 67 is also varying, we should find the relation between them. Of course, we have already seen number series. The same we will apply here. 12 and 23, 11. 23 and 34, 11. 34 and 45, 11. 45 and 56, 11. 56 plus 11 is how much? 67. So answer is 67M. Okay, good. So the next one. Sure? Okay. This we can think in multiple ways. Okay. I'll explain you how to think about this question. Number one, what you did is B, C, D is missing. E, F, G is missing. H, I, J is missing. K, L, M is missing. N, O. Say yes or no? That is what the logic you did. The other way that we have to think is, so B, E means plus 3. B is 2, E is 5. Okay. E, H plus 3. H, K plus 3. So K plus 3, N, 14. Am I right or wrong? Next one. So similarly, other one, C, F plus 3. F, I plus 3, I, L plus 3. So L plus 3 is O. Am I right or wrong? Like this also you can think. Am I right or wrong? Both the ways. See the next one. Now you will understand the importance of the logic that I have given, right? That's it, QK. Yeah, just now whatever is the logic that I explained, that is the one, right? U, T. Previous one. Previous one is S. Previous one is R. Previous one is Q. Z. Next one is H. Next one is I. Next one is J. Next one is K. So answer is QK. Okay. Suppose if it is descriptive paper and this is the question given for you, what will you do? They're adding 1 to the first one and minus 1 to the second one. Okay. So like this you can write, and then you can say that U, T, S, R, minus 1. You should even give the arrows also. Okay. So minus 1. So next one is also minus 1. So it is Q. You write it as a second series. G, H, I, J, blank. Okay. You will write it as plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So next one is also plus 1. So what is the answer? K. So answer is QK. Okay. As I said earlier, in this type of questions, in general, they won't much expect about what you're writing. Just if you give them a brief introduction regarding the question, they will feel happy and give the full marks for you. Okay. Good. So the next one. What happens is, if you observe in your 10th standard or 8th standard, 9th standard, in maths, 100 out of 100, so many people will get. In Telugu, very less. Am I right or wrong? So once upon a time, when I am pursuing my 10th standard, nobody gets 100 out of 100 in Telugu. If they get 90, 92 means that is extreme marks. Letter says 100 out of 100 they are giving, okay. But before that, 80 out of 100 is very great mark, right or wrong? So it is a mathematics they will give you, okay. Next point. So do not expect 100 out of 100 or 10 out of 10 marks in general. Why? Because you feel that, suppose in the previous question, these two they will understand. What the examiner might expect is, if you take the first alphabet in each set, you write there and write it, he might be happy. Second alphabet of each set if you take, he might be happy. Do you understand this? See, then what happens, that small gaps might be there that we can't fill it. In descriptive, the globally, what is the point that we have to observe is, the paper valuator will get some, what do we say, his version can be reflected in the paper. In objective, that is not there. So if you give a QK, everybody will give the correct answer, whether it is computer or a human. But coming to descriptive, they will get a chance to automatically, if I am in front of you, you feel that yeah, he is not looking good, okay, you will get some view, right or wrong. In the similar manner, the examiner will also get some impression on you, on your paper. That impression will definitely give some impact. That might be positive, that might be negative, okay. That point we are unable to, yes, because everybody has a heart apart from the brain, apart from the regular brain, okay. So that is the problem, okay, definitely. So, but what happens is, I'll give you the exact point for you. Suppose if a question was given, that can be solved in 3 ways, especially for arithmetic I'm saying, okay. 3 ways. The, what do we say, the person who gives the principles of valuation will solve the problems in all the 3 ways, okay. And then this step 2 marks, this step 1 mark, this step 4 marks. He will allocate the marks for each and every step in each and every procedure. That evaluation, that means principles of valuation, will be given to all the evaluators. So that what happens? Some extent uniformity will be there, okay. But definitely 1 mark and half mark, he might. But exactly if you observe 10 marks is the question, principles of valuation will give exactly 10 marks. If he has given data, half mark or 1 mark. So if it is 10 marks, definitely given data 1 mark. Formula 2 marks. Value substitution 2 marks definitely. Answer 3 marks. How many marks already completed? 8 marks. Okay. For the remaining procedure, 2 marks. That means calculation and step-by-step procedure and all 2 marks. Okay. So then automatically what you will get? Each and every step got evaluated. So you will do some procedure. In that some procedure, 2 marks is there na. In that 2 marks, he might feel that I'm expecting some more calculation. So he did directly 24 into 3 is equal to 72. But I want to see 24 into 3 means 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. He might expect this one. He might deduct half mark. That nobody can give you, right? So when they are giving you, they are what do you say, giving the instructions to them, they will say that clearly. So don't consider this silly points, comma, full stop, etc. In our department, comma, full stop is not much important, right? So do not evaluate. But if the examiner says I have evaluated, he won't announce that I have deducted half mark for not having comma. That's why nobody will question. Okay, that's why that small problem will definitely be there. Okay, so that half mark, 1 mark means not a big deal. Much change you won't notice. Okay, right. So the next question. Yeah, previous one. Oh, completed. Okay, good. Come on, give me the answer fast. It's 134. Okay. Yeah, I mean, right? First point, by seeing that you can say that opposite pair, opposite pair, opposite pair, opposite pair. 5, 7, 9, 11. So what's the next one? 13. 13 means M. So opposite pair is N. Or else you can say that E plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Okay. That is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Okay. Right. So, yeah, good. Yeah, no problem. We will continue this in the next session. Okay. So, because it's 134 means you might also have your food, right? Okay. I don't eat your food. Okay. Any doubts in today's session? Okay. Yeah, what I will do is, see, 4 topics are combination in what we say reasoning. Number series, letter series, analogy, odd one out, coding, decoding, these 5 topics. One part. I'll complete these 5. Later I'll go to arithmetic. I'll complete there one module. Again I'll come to reasoning. I'll complete one module here. I'll go there. So that if I switch between these two, what happens is, initially I have started with reasoning. That might be a little easy. When I go to arithmetic, non-math students and all might feel, it's maths. Okay. That fear also they should face, because in the examination it is there. Undoubtedly we should accept it. We should do it. Okay. Again, if I come to reasoning, they feel, oh, okay. They'll get some time to swallow it. Okay. So that's what I'm planning. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. In arithmetic, majorly focus on step-by-step procedures. In reasoning, not much important. That too, where you are lucky is what he said about your prelims paper, data interpretation and analytical reasoning. Okay. Analytical reasoning means, as I said earlier, reasoning part. Reasoning part not much important in the descriptive part. So that means object oriented we can go. Data interpretation we can do in both the ways, not a big deal, not a much difference there. Okay, and coming to mains, every topic is there. That means in arithmetic, every topic we will discuss with concept oriented. Okay, so if arithmetic is also there in prelims, then what happens is it's definitely a suffocation for you, because in the regular procedure you are unable to do for the prelims. Do you understand? Shortcut is needed for it. In the mains, that doesn't works. Samjhe? That's why be cautious. Don't worry, you are lucky in that. Yeah, any doubts in today's session, my dear offline and online students? No doubt. Thank you. Remember the next session. Jai Hind.